Alticast is present on the pay TV market since something like 18 years. We are an end-to-end solution provider in the pay TV industry. 400 people, mostly based in Korea, our headquarters, plus operations in the US and in Vietnam. We have 3 business units organized in different activities. We are end-to-end provider and system integrator as well.
So you can provide an entire platform to a new broadcaster or an established broadcaster that wants to transfer to OTT, but also work on that journey of transformation with somebody that needs to stick with a legacy system.
Yes, absolutely, and that's the main concern operators are facing today. They have old system on the field they want to replace partially. So we can come here, have an analysis with them and propose the right solutions based on this analysis.
But it's important not to be a solution looking for a problem.
So the key point is that if we want to provide the right answer to our customers, the most important point is to have an holistic analysis of their problem, understanding the company positioning, their strengths and weaknesses. It's not just about technology. Technology comes at the end of the day as an answer to the problem we have understood and together with our customer.
So everybody talks about speed to market and speed of innovation, but to get that right, it's important to take some time to really understand what the issues confronting the business are.
If you want to go fast, you must be sure you will go in the right direction. Otherwise, sooner or later, you will have to change your plan. So, of course, we force our customers to have few weeks, few months, sometime, thinking about the problem, the analysis, making sure that we are all taking the right decision for them. And most of the time, after this analysis, we see that projects are going well and faster.
So what are the 3, or the products, what are the important products that you're demonstrating here?
So, in terms of products, we have a large portfolio. We cover the end-to-end value chain. So, let's say, we have one business unit dedicated to set-top box middleware. In this business unit, we have 3 types of technologies: RDK, Linux web middleware, and Android. The 3 software platforms are relying on or using the same API and application framework. And this technology helps operators to have no stickiness with the software platform in the way that we develop the UI, we integrate the backend of one operator for the first project, and at any time we can change from one platform to another one. So the story for an operator of selecting RDK, for example, instead of Android, is not a choice for the coming 10 years. It's dedicated to a specific business case, and that's changed the game. Most of the investment is the UI development and the backend integration. Of course, the CAS integration and the hardware porting makes some cost in the project, but it's very low compared to the rest. You know? So we propose operators to have a long view and a lot of flexibility in terms of hardware platform they are able to select depending on the business case they want to serve.
So you can provide a system where the bridge, in a sense, can be swapped out. Absolutely. And meantime, we maximize the usage of generic components, standards. We try to minimize the quantity of proprietary code in our solutions, which is key for our customers for the future, but which is key for Alticast for the future as well. You know, to rely more and more on open source solutions. So in the same way that you can work on integration with a client, you've obviously done a lot of work on integrating sort of best of breed provision in terms of your own products.
Yes, and it makes a link with the backend solutions we are providing. We have a component-based backend solution which cover almost all the value chain. And because we are system integrator at the same time, it's easy for us to build this component-based backend solution, making easy the integration of third-party components or third-party solutions if necessary. So we will never push our customer to use all our components in our backend. It's not a black box, it's an open box. And when we analyze the end-to-end architecture, end-to-end features with our customers, sometimes we propose them to keep what they already have to integrate in our solution or to replace, it depends.